Against people's demand, Lok Sabha passes Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019 amid total shutdown against the bill in northeast states today. 6 protesters sustain injury in Tripura. Digging a grave for future, Northeast India Development Party lambasts at passing of Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019. Party to protest against the bill at Tera Market tomorrow. Twin general strikes, 36-hour nationwide general strike called by central trade unions and total shutdown in northeast states called by NESO affect normal life in Manipur. Pressing various demands, state government employees cease work to join 36-hour nationwide general strike called by central trade unions. Eyeing for chemical-free foods, Minister Thongnaw Jamshyam announces ban on import of horticulture products without prior permission of the Horticulture Department. Hindrance in result declaration, MPSC Chairman General Konsam Himalaya says many recruitment results of MPSC are shelved due to pending court cases. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Rashmi Livestream with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019 was passed in the Lok Sabha amid general strike in the northeast states today against passing of the bill. There is apprehension that National People's Party, an allied partner of the BJP government in Meghalaya and Manipur, may part its ways. Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019 was tabled in the Lok Sabha today amid protests by the opposition. It may be mentioned that scuffles erupted during the total shutdown called in northeast states by Northeast Students' Organization against the bill in the states of Assam and Tripura. 6 individuals were severely injured in Agartala during the protests. As per the web portal Time 8, Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma has said that National People's Party (NPP) will quit its alliance with the NDA government if the bill is passed. Impact News sources said NPP Manipur State Unit will also quit its alliance with the BJP-led state government if situation demands. Northeast India Development Party (NEIDP) strongly condemned the Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019 as it is similar to digging a grave for the future of the people of northeast states. Vice President of NEIDP Central Working Committee Narengbam Biswajit stated that as one of the regional parties of the northeast states, NEIDP will protest against the bill at Tera Market on January 9. Speaking to media at NEIDP CWC office in Tera Amudon Lerak, Biswajit stated that if the bill ever becomes an act, 1971 base year of Assam Accord 1985 and base year 1951 claimed by people of Manipur will become meaningless. He further intimated that NEIDP will cooperate in any decision taken by the people of Manipur and northeast states against the bill which threatens the minority communities in northeast states.
Northeast India Development Party na awang bathakta amadi akan mamongda condemn taujari amadi Manipur amasung wangnongpok ki miyam lorokpa warep khudingmakta thawai hakchang yauna mangjil thajagani loina na lakliba January gi tarik 8 gi ayuking pung 10 dagi Tera Kaithelda Northeast India Development Party gi oiba wakat mipamama Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 gi mayokta phamjagani haina leibak miyam mafamda laukthopse.
Attending the meet, President of NEIDP Mizoram Unit Z. Fanai stated that the bill challenges the Constitution of India. He added, NEIDP Mizoram Unit also strongly condemns the bill which gives opportunity to few religions and threatens the identity of the northeast states.
This Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 is a threat to the basic structure of the Constitution. Because under Article 14, which stress equal protection of law and equality before law, this has been disrupted properly with this bill. Because a few religions have been giving priorities, and only 3 countries have been prioritized under this bill. So my question is there really equality before law and equal protection of law under this NDA government?
The 36-hour nationwide general strike called by central trade unions since 6 this morning, and the general strike from 5 a.m. today in Northeast states called by Northeast students' organizations against the passing of Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 supported by all Manipur Students' Union in Manipur has affected normal life in the state. Passenger vehicles, including inter-district passenger vehicles, remained off the roads except for few private vehicles. All business transactions are on standstill, with major markets remaining shut down except for few daily wage earners, street vendors. Streets wore deserted looks and educational institutes remain closed. No unwanted incidents are reported till now. Members of Panthoibi Street Vendor Association also extended support to the 36-hour nationwide general strike called by All India Trade Union and a total shutdown in Northeast states called by Northeast Students Organization. The women vendors today blocked the road in front of Kumalampak ISBT in support of the twin strikes. The twin general strikes also affected normal life in Bishnupur district. Vehicles remained off the roads and business transactions were affected. Police teams under the supervision of SP Bishnupur kept strict vigil to ward off any untoward incidents. Employees of the Agriculture Department have extended solidarity to the 2 days nationwide general strike called by All India State Government Employees Federation by ceasing work and staging a protest meet in front of the department at Sanjanthong today. Various placards that read equal pay for equal work, minimum wages at least 18,000 rupees per month, scrap new contributory pension scheme, fill up vacant post, regularize casual contract outsourced and scheme workers, stop privatization, etc. were displayed during the sit-in. Speaking on the sidelines, Chairman of the Coordinating Body Trade Unions Manipur, Laishram Sotin Kumar, has declared that the mass support extended for the strike has proved that the public is against the insensitive rule of the present government, bringing plight to public, especially peasants and workers. He warned of intense agitation if the government does not mend its ways. The general strike has been widely supported by the state and central staffs.
General strike asi chama da chama mai pa haibai makhan kaya gi tongan ba sinpham da thabak suri ba mayam maru oina ekoi gi leipa as da leriba sinmi karmachari lak taraga nipan mukna saru yaba sumanu minini gi general strike asina achoba sapuma ngasigi pali ba sarkar asigi mathakta soidana piragani haibase ekoi coordinating body of trade union gi maike de ekoi chap chana thajai.
Staffs of State Postal Department have also extended solidarity to the 36-hour nationwide general strike called by central trade unions. The general strike was called pressing 23 demands, including implementation of Sri Kamlesh Chandra Committee report to accord civil servant status to GDS staffs, to revise minimum pension, and 12 common demands for the welfare of workers in various sectors. Speaking to media, Secretary of All India Postal Employees Union P3M Nabachandra said the cease work strike in solidarity to the general strike is being supported by 1,800 GTF staffs and around 300 regular staffs. He said the protest will continue till January 9.
All India go on a trade union group mayamna pullaga nationwide toba 2 days strike that 8 and 9 of January sito busida koi postal department gi su oina koi tanjari ba demand si koi tongan ba koi charter demand 21 da postal department gi oina toba adumba charter demand da koi base torga tobuni aduga loin na koi mayam gi su da su koi charter demand si koi part A part B ana khaido I part A dana koi postal gi oiba tongan ba akogi pendaba akogi ningbu thungdo mayamdu yawba koi chato demand singni adugolon asi hariba demand sing asi koi kuina matam kuina tanala hekte strike si toksin banate koi government hanjin har matungda government hoji lairibu government pibi dabudagi hoji koi strike si tokdoba yadre haina decision lawro matungda koi tokjabani aduga part B sina koi common issue akogi lairiba workers singi awaba pendaba mayamdu phongdoktuna adumba asi lairiba nationwide ki strike asi koi saruk yari.
BSNL employees of the state also extended support to the nationwide general strike of Central India trade unions today. Around 320 Group C and D BSNL employees ceased work in protest against National Pension Scheme and fulfillment of 12 Common Charter of Demands. Speaking to media, Secretary of BSNL Employees Union Manipur, M.N. Motikumar said the general strike is a major one for BSNL employees. Stating that BSNL employees will fully support the general strike, he urged BSNL subscribers to bear with any service-related inconveniences until the end of the strike. Meanwhile, the Planning Department also fully supported the strike. President of the Planning Department Employees Union cum Vice President of Manipur State Government Employees Federation, Sarat, termed the nationwide general strike of All India State Government Employees Federation, pressing various demands including regularization of contract, casual and muster roll employees as a reasonable strike.
BSNL Employees Union na yamna aikoigi warujaba yamna nungaijadaba government ta hairagadi haugiba February gi tarikh 2018 da Honorable MOS IT and Communication na third pay revision ji piragani haidna assure tawramaga hauji phawba progress isat chattaba December gi tarikh 3 da BSNL EU na su all India gi wen strike ama tawne na tawrambadu ngasi dagi horiba strike si leibana maram oiraga aikoigi strike tu yeithoki hauji phawda aikoigi CSQ gi leader singa aikoigi government ga wari sanabasi da yanaba ngamdri aikoigi third PRC je karimba yanartragadi aikoi pen down tool down strike pau sathrak pa yai
laiba existing casual master role employees se contract employees je moijo they are working under important flexi programs Bharat Sarkar gi Manipur Sarkar gi samaj da kanaba adum program mayam moine implement tawda moijo asobo role am lawri bani employees se adon haribi employees ge service condition se mase improve tabiu.
Meanwhile, Chairman of Coordination of Trade Union and Leaders, Laishram Sotin Kumar, said the nationwide general strike called by central trade unions is going on full swing in Manipur. Speaking to media at Irawat Bhavan this afternoon, Sotin Kumar said that the strike pressing various demands will continue till 6 p.m. of January 9. He also said over 50,000 government employees of the state are supporting the strike, mentioning that VDF personnel, home guards, vendors, ASHA and Anganwadi workers, including workers from various organized and unorganized sectors, are supporting the strike. Sotin Kumar once again appealed for mass support on the second day of the strike tomorrow.
General strike asina ngasigi Bharat Laingakta akanba pressure suri nobiba kangbu singna pukhaliba demand se masi tangai fadana pithok tabe yararoi haiwa khala do phone gani haibase madugi mieng de koi suma general strike si pangthoi bani.
Horticulture and Soil Conservation Minister Thaunajam Shyamkumar announced that there will be a ban on import of horticulture products without the permission of the Horticulture Department. He further stated that if owners of the cows and horses straying on the roads of Imphal city do not hold them back within 10 days, the IMC will accommodate the animals at the foothills. Speaking to media at the Secretariat office in Babupara today, Minister Shyamkumar expressed apprehension over spread of diseases from imported horticulture products from Myanmar and other states. He appealed for public cooperation and relevant authority to ensure chemical-free food items in the state.
Horticulture products gamay polong khudimak dealer sing aduna horticulture department ki director da register tawgadabani register tawdaba dealer sing pusla posai sing adu khuduk ti athing ba thamme jibo Manipur pusla por myam si adu ki dealership tu masa khangdabana puning mina pusle urkhunda ki port porak tamen de port porak stemang porak da athing kana su leite horticulture department ti law ji law number run ju leite masa khangtok ba haitare pori posing do adu ngasi di Manipur da tongan tongam lena te na hengalakpa masa khangdaba port yam chi pusilakpa adu karamba chemicals mix tawbagi habisu koi khangdaba adu maram waraga koi khudaktagi athingbaji mamangi December tang ta do odam thokre.
Mahud Minister Thaunojam Shamkumar has appealed owners of the domestic animals to reclaim their strayed livestock within 10 days, failing which the minister said Imphal Municipal Corporation in collaboration with Mahud will relocate the animals near the foothills as they continue to be a source of social hazard. On the other hand, Minister Shamkumar also warned of taking legal actions against the male vendors inside Nupikaithil.
Ngasi numi tarani manungda mapu posingna salamasum sagon sing asi mapu du ujikti warning ka su tawre sanjing je koina lambi da kudong thibi am accident tholakpa mayam sina maram bora koi phara kanda sanjing koi nomai sing da koi thadokhrane sagon jing sem koi treat torga sagon jing phara kanda manak nak pasing jing koi na sing koi thadokhrane atraga di misi mena tholakpa accident tholakpa adai moi sina koi ki sorok ta mayam sing torga ngase ki koi ki yam adagi mate kudong thibi am tholakpa masina so maram mamane Imphal gi bazar manungda ima kaithen ji Manipur da lai ima kaithel asi pithibagi ima ta phamanu pe ta phamanu kaithel mani kai maming chatpa no yamna kai kumnajari bisim kaithel asi da akoi bisa kaithel si marak si da lupa phambado khutak tagi warning tona madu algi mateng la khutak tagi madu phagan haduna.
Health Minister L. Jendakumar disclosed that an MOU was signed between Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, Northeast Institute of Science and Technology and Directorate of Ayush Manipur for widespread plantation of medicinal and aromatic plants in the state, including cash crops. The understanding was reportedly signed at CHIR NEIST office in Jorhat yesterday. Minister Jendakumar disclosed the same at the release of the annual calendar of the Art and Culture Department in his office in Old Secretariat today. Speaking to media, Minister Jendakumar stated that the works under CHIR Aroma mission to boost farmers' income of many farmers.
अखोइना मोइना पिरिबा मखल मेचिन जिना कोइ लेमन ग्रास ओरो एरोमेटिक ओइबा मखल की पाम्बी थारो मतुंगदा मैच्योर्ड ओर कांदा कागा मोइना पिरिबा मखल की मेचिन जिना स्टिल तोबा थाउ सुमदो मतको थाउ सुक्सु फंगे हाबी रिपोर्ट से कोइनो से मोइदा पीबा ताय हाइरिबा मयाम देगी फंगे मखल की द होल प्रॉफिट विल गो टू द फार्मर्स हाइजे फार्मर्स पीबा हायन तोरिसे थ्रू सर्टेन मैकेनिज्म थ्रू आयुष डिपार्टमेंट मतलब कोई फार्मर्स किंतु फंगन गने मतलब इनकम जनरेट तोबा माइक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स बूस्टअप तोबा एंड अल्टीमेटली मतलब कोई स्टेट की अमसुंग नेशनल लेवल की मधुकी मैक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स दा चोबा मखली पोट म कोई न बहना बन हाबसे it is our target and it is our ambition ayush directorate ni makhatla national ayush mission naam hai janam le government india gi and masida khoi nangai kan chenjarak ba kon tawgi atna ko hona jar mukil potama government india gi national ayush mission hai bisena paisa se release of grant for creation of capital assets hai tana paisa se release to pire ase manipur gi oina 4 crore 34 lakhs 54600
successfully started wide cultivation of water chestnuts at Tangkham Lamphel Patlau Coal, which remained unfit for cultivation following last year's flood. Impact News reporter Ilangbal Mushuk brings you an exclusive report in this regard.
Farmers have started cultivating water chestnut at Tangkham Lamphel Coal, which remained submerged under flood water for many years. The farmers' new venture since the last 3 years has become a source of livelihood for the poor farmers who were once full of woes as the paddy lands became wasted due to prolonged inundation under flood water. Water chestnut farmers can now earn 50,000 to 1 lakh rupees per hectare cultivation of water chestnuts.
ꯂꯧ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯏꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯆꯥꯎꯕ ꯍꯦꯟꯖꯜꯂꯛꯄꯅꯤꯅ ꯏꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯊꯨꯝꯃꯛꯄꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯧꯁꯤ ꯆꯥꯔꯛꯇꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯧꯈꯥꯁꯤ ꯂꯤꯡꯕꯅ ꯐꯔꯅꯦꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯤꯡꯈꯤꯕꯅꯦ ꯊꯥꯕꯗꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯆꯪꯗꯦꯗ ꯂꯨꯄꯥ ꯂꯤꯁꯤꯡ 2-3 ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅꯗꯪ ꯆꯪꯉꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯏꯟꯀꯝꯗꯤ ꯁꯪꯉꯝ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯐꯪꯉꯩꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯁꯥꯅ ꯇꯥꯟꯖꯔꯒꯅ ꯂꯤꯁꯤꯡ 40-50 ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ fangge.
Cultivation of water chestnut over 50 hectares of Tangkham Lamphel local requires no heavy investment and has become an alternate source of livelihood for the poor farmers.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯂꯝꯐꯦꯜꯄꯥꯠ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯇꯥꯡꯒꯝ ꯈꯨꯟ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯏꯆꯥꯎ ꯊꯣꯛꯄꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯧꯁꯤꯡ ꯁꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯈꯣꯠꯂꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯧꯈꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯊꯥꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯑꯋꯥ ꯑꯅꯥ ꯀꯌꯥꯁꯦ ꯀꯟꯅꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯂꯝ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯀꯌꯥꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯏꯆꯥꯎ ꯊꯣꯛꯇꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯧꯁꯤꯡ ꯁꯤꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯃꯦꯁꯦꯖ ꯄꯤꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤꯁꯤꯅ ꯀꯧꯈꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯊꯥꯕꯤꯔꯒ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯑꯋꯥ ꯑꯅꯥꯁꯦ ꯀꯣꯛꯅꯒꯅꯤ.
However, in times of dry season and pest attacks, abundant production of water chestnut is difficult.
Kaukaji thabo tharaga heta lokpadi lokte maji kamai tawgeda akoigi taba hogolko mari chatpa hogolko kanida nong ta dadana ising phangdarati tanba yadadana hojikchu yam mangdana lei moiji.
If the government and relevant authorities look into the matter, production of water chestnut can be enhanced, which will immensely help in elevating the plights of the flood-affected farmers.
Government gi side tagi di akoi aduki matik pangre koina thariba huji kawkha sangam masagi low akoi gi ising ichauna sigi khoki tawraga chahaudrabanina government gi side tagi akoina thariba pochida kitang hena tanana ba khonana ba thariba pochida chanai de haibagi kainoma kitang yenghanningi.
This is Joyce Rusham for reporter Langbam Bushuk, Impact News, Imphal.
Now it's time for a small commercial break. After that, we bring you news on Salai Chairman Narengbam Samarjit announcing awards for individuals excelling in various fields in memory of his late father, Narengbam Jugendra Kumar. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. After the break, you're watching Primetime English News. Chairman of Salai Holdings Private Limited, Narengbam Samarjit, today announced awards for individuals excelling in 5 different fields in memory of his late father, Narengbam Jugendra Kumar. The awards are Journalist Award for journalists with best report on integration, Social Activist Award for social activists especially working for uplifting widows, Social Reformer Award for political reformers, Teachers Award and Drama Award. The awards cannot be applied for as Salai will collect samples and will go through screenings to declare the awardees. Speaking to media at Salai office in Tera today, Samarjit recalled that his late father, Narengbam Jugendra Kumar, popularly known as Jugindro, established Progressive Education Center in 1960 for bringing a change in education sector of the state. He also said his father took an active role in social movement of the state during his student life and was also played in various dramas. The chairman expressed his desires to revive Progressive Education Center to highlight the active roles taken by his late father.
Progressive Education Center si amuk nauna hingalange habigi message pinning bagi damakta asigi press meet kokjabani. Progressive Education Center since 1960 dagi hongna masi lairaklaba sida tambiramba sidagi product oina thokpigraba aigi babagi satra aigi yamba aigi uncle gumba mayam sing loinamak masai sida koi karigumba information hena babagi maramda adi makhatana karigumba tawningbal lairagadi madu khanganabagi damakta Salai Holdings Private Limited na a
discussion meet on the law and order and administrative matter of districts, battalions and units was hosted by Director General of Police of Manipur Police Department, LM Khaute, at the banquet hall of 1st Manipur Rifles today. Superintendent of Police from all the districts of the state, commandants from various battalions of Manipur Rifles and top officials of state police attended the meet. Manipur Public Service Commission (MPSC) regretted that various pending court cases have hindered result declaration of various recruitment examinations conducted by the Commission. Speaking to media at MPSC office in North AOC today, MPSC chairman and a former Lieutenant General Konsam Himalaya stated the results of various recruitment examinations conducted by MPSC cannot be declared due to pending cases in the court filed by various organizations and individuals. He said MPSC will follow the orders of the court. Himalaya assured of improvement in the recruitment procedures of the Commission in line with the present trend. The chairman also disclosed that a case hearing in connection with Manipur Civil Service Combined Competitive Examination 2016 is on January 14. He also mentioned that there is a stay order issued by the High Court of Manipur regarding the recruitment of principal of LMS Law College, Hindi Teaching College and College of Teachers Education. He further mentioned that due to rulings from the court, recruitment results of veterinary officer, CDPO and others were shelved. Responding to queries in connection with checking of MCS CCE 2018 answer scripts through RTI, Konsam Himalaya stated that allowing inspection of answer sheets to the students ought to be allowed as per the provisions of the RTI Act 2005.
Principal LMS Law College ga adegi the Hindi Training College College of Teachers Education sigi moi principal amamam ahung khanbagi si kano koi court na high court na stay am khak pibadagi sigi requisition le su koi adegi process chathari court ki ruling matung in haidoktana leibasina CDPO lobagi veterinary grade 4 veterinary officer lobagi koi high court ki ruling matung in adum haidoktri 2016 की पैखासी की चेदो हंगबा मतमदा एकोई कमिश्नर लागा मतुंगदा अदु पीओ एन कोना पिथोकपा हौरुबने बेस्ड ऑन दैट अदे केस तो होना रेदन इंफॉर्मेशन कमीशन ना हाइबना थर्ड पार्टी सी जो पीओ इन पब्लिक इंटरेस्ट होइतार दी पीगदमने अदु पीद्रिंगेदा थर्ड पार्टी दु दहाना इंफॉर्मेशन पिरम ताबो डू यू हैव एनी ऑब्जेक्शंस एन अदु गिदु इंफॉर्मेशन कमीशन ना हंगौदबा
District Administration Thoubal today held Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao program at Wangjing today. Speaking on the occasion, Education Minister Radheshyam stressed the need to uplift women's section for an overall development of a society. The minister flagged off a cross-country race for girls under 19 years as part of the program. DRDA Thoubal also presented bicycles to 56 girls studying in class 11 under Pradhan Mantri Jan Vikas Karyakram on the occasion. Mahal Theatre in a press release expressed grief upon a sudden demise of former vice chairman of the theatre, Yambem Ibobi, on January 6. Mahal Theatre paid 2 minutes silence as a mark of respect to the departed soul. Meanwhile, Mahal Theatre also informed that the result of the 19th Mahal Artists Memorial Drama Festival 2018 has been declared and details may be obtained from the theatre. Ragailong Baptist Church held Silver Jubilee celebrations on the theme Amazing Love today. Representatives of various Baptist churches in Imphal Valley took part in the event. Executive Secretary of Ragailong Baptist Church, Reverend Mansi Gangmai, unveiled the Silver Jubilee monolith to mark the day. MLA L. Rameshwar has distributed free LPG connection under Ujjwala Yojana and tailoring machines of EDP under MOBC to beneficiaries in Kiamgai Muslim Awang Lekai today. Speaking on the occasion, MLA L. Rameshwar asserted that the present government will deliver all welfare benefits meant for minority communities in Kairao constituency unlike the previous government. He also assured of better healthcare facilities and proper road connectivity in the area.
Sini NBN lusing bagam nasi laku tadi. सिगुम्बा प्रजागी तंखु मैम से मतेंग चलकान पीब थोरम पाठोचरीजे फंबीब इमा बेन टेलर स्विंग मशीन सिनरकान तुंगी क्या है सागी कनबी फगनब फिशरी पीरे पैसाजना nga macha thadabirakaanda akhoi ngai kol hengkanaba adagi akhoi nupising na chakphun waramaba akhoi gas ngasi pijina kitang awana na kokpodo oigana abasima akhoi thajabane.
Progressive Youth Club Parsain, in a press release, urged the concerned authority to provide electricity for Parsain village in Kalapahar of Kangpokpi district, as the village has been deprived of electricity for the last 10 years, to facilitate job card system under MGN REGS and to repair the road of the village leading to Dimapur at the earliest. MLA Oinam and Chairman of Manipur Pollution Control Board, L. Radhakeshwar, has asserted that no external divisive forces can threaten the state when women folks of border hills in the valley come together in facing various issues of the state. He was speaking in the unveiling of the 35th Foundation Day stone of Bungte Chiru Village Women Welfare at Bungte Chiru in Kangpokpi district today. MLA Radhakeshwar maintained that the government exists for the welfare of the people. He appealed to the villagers to apprise the government for taking up desired welfare projects to the concerned DC or the local MLA.
Women society na pangthoiba program na se khoi yamna maru oi yamna significant oiba anoba se hisina lakpaga sumna pangthokpi reherga lamdam mesigi imaibil singna loriba roles lamdam mesigi imaibil singna darkar leba singa se ai sada mati government da lamdam mesigi district mesigi deputy commissioner da district level all the head of the district level officers masida khoi imaibil singsa darkar leba se habi gadamani madu copy singa do khoi da amadi honorable chief minister pibi gadamani sakara se leba kini praja gini prajana semba government ni प्रजागी अवाब पुनमक्ता अखोई गवर्नमेंट ने मतेंग पांगनी मसिगी दमक चप चना अखोई गवर्नमेंट ने ngasi lepag leire प्रजागी semba तौरनी हबा.
Now the sports news. Preparation is underway for the semi-final matches of the first ANYTK Day and Night and the 15 5-man A-side soccer tournament. Apunba Naharol Thausil Kanglup Thangmaiban organized the tournament at the club's ground since January 6. In the first quarter-final match of the tournament, Bolero FC Bamolaikai beat CEO Singjamai Wangma Khetilaikai 2-0. In the second quarter-final match, Konthaujam FC beat Toro FC in kicks from penalty marks 2-0, while in the third quarter-final match, ULTWO Team A Uripok defeated A Square Patsoi in kicks from penalty marks 3-0, and in the fourth quarter-final match, Lamphel Lampak FC defeated ULTWO Team B Uripok 1-0. 25 football teams divided into 4 groups took part in the tournament. 2 semi-final matches of the tournament will be played tomorrow. All Manipur Bodybuilders Association held a get-together cum reception ceremony for sports persons at the association's office in Kumalampak Sports Complex on January 6. YAS Director Armstrong Pame, Chief Engineer of Building PWD and Norain, AMBA President and Ratan, and executive members of AMBA attended the event. El Dinesh, who bagged the first position in the junior men category of the 52nd Mr. Asia, held at Pune, and first position in the 10th Mr. World in junior men category held at Chiang Mai, Thailand. 5 players who bagged prizes in the 52nd Mr. Asia in junior men category, 3 players of senior men category, and 4 players of senior women categories were felicitated on the occasion.
If you are in a job which is your hobby, you don't have to work a single day. So to all those people, starting from my physical instructor in my department, Mr. Pradeep, I just read a book written about him. Noi mu yengraga, we envy a lot. You know, you come to the morning, you want to wake up in the morning because you are doing your hobby.
General Secretary of Langthabal Sporting Club in a press release informed the Langthabal Sporting Club, Langthabal Mantrikhong Makhalekai, will organize the second Haibok Trophy T20 cricket tournament under the aegis of Manipur Cricket Association from January 20. Interested clubs and cricket teams affiliated to MCA may apply for the cricket tournament till January 15. Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Against people's demand, Lok Sabha passes Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019 amid total shutdown against the bill in Northeast states today. Digging a grave for future, Northeast India Development Party lambasts at passing of Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019. Party to protest against the bill at Tera Market tomorrow. Twin general strikes, 36-hour nationwide general strike called by central trade unions and total shutdown in Northeast states called by NESO affect normal life in Manipur. Pressing various demands, state government employees cease work to join 36-hour nationwide general strike called by central trade unions. Eyeing for chemical-free foods, Minister Thaunajam Shamkumar announces ban on import of horticulture products without prior permission of the Horticulture Department. Hindrance in result declaration, MPSC Chairman General Konsam Himalaya says many recruitment results of MPSC are shelved due to pending court cases.